Do you want daily deals from hundreds of stores without clogging your email inbox? If you're doing online arbitrage, this might be the laziest way to find deals that flip on Amazon. It's called SalesGazer.com. Think of it like an inbox that only gets emails from stores running sales. No more subscribing to 200 stores manually. It's all in one place. The scan, source, and flip. And if you want a full system that turn this kind of finds into daily profit, check OA Challenge through my link in the description below. You'll learn how to source, list, and scale fast. Go try it and stack some cash.